Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. We're going to start up our Chevelle for you. You can see it's got serpentine belt system on it. Hotchkiss tubular A-arms up front. Also has some Hotchkiss in the rear. Front disc brakes. Got a Griffin radiator, Edelbrock intake. Just a nice car. Power brakes, power steering. We'll start it up here for you. Sounds really good. Got some great sound and exhaust. Blinkers. Oh, that's cooling fans. I wonder if the blinkers, oh yeah, wipers work off of the later models column they got here, so it's got intermittent too. That's a good idea. You can see radio delete and also heater air conditioner delete. So this is just kind of a fun car. Hard to see, but taillights do work. And the headlights work. They're in here listening to the engine. Of course, only 400 miles on it. Nice, smooth running. I'll give you, I'm going to try to rev it up when I'm outside so you can hear that exhaust a little more again. So there you go. Got any questions? Give me a call. 605-695-7391.